This is Mr. J, coming to you from, wait a minute, why, this isn't Mr. J at all. It's your old pal Deluxe Chimp, coming to you from sunny and somewhat smoky Lakewood, Colorado. And today I'm doing the Mr. G No GoPro, No Problem Challenge. And what that is a video about a guy riding a Goldwing with a flat tire. Well, no, it's not that either. What it is a video shot in its entirety on a smartphone. No computer, no fancy software, no edits, no transitions, no nothing. Just hit the record and go. So today I'm going to tell you a story about the town I live in. And I will warn you, I'm nowhere near as good a storyteller as Mr. G. That's a fact. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a smash anyway. And that story goes a little something like this. Once upon a time, there was a magical place where it never rained. The end. And that's about the extent of my storytelling skills. So I'm going to say go ahead and check out Mr. G's channel. I'm going to put a link to his channel down in the video description. So go check him out. Tell him Deluxe Chimp sent you. And if you like what you see here on the Deluxe Chimp channel, by all means subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that bell icon so you know when I have new videos available. And with that, until next time, guys, ride safe.